Hi, I'm Neeti Singhal, the person behind the designs that you see at Golden Lotus. Golden Lotus, where tradition meets sustainability. Well, what is sustainability with this brand? What makes it so special? It is not just organic fabrics. We also are very mindful of going plastic free with our buttons. You heard us right. We can talk about wooden buttons or metal buttons, but we want to make sure that all our designs look aesthetically beautiful, yet they are sustainable. And let me tell you, we are very mindful about our productions. We hate the idea of wastage. But then, what do? We are very ethical. We believe in fair wages and we believe in zero wastage. So any garments that we design, we make sure how to make it perfectly where there is no wastage or the minimal wastage of fabric that could go.